Students, welcome to Max class. Now we are going to drive the area of triangle. If we know the coordinates of the triangle, how to find out the area of triangle? Here we know the coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2 and x3, y3. These are the coordinates. Then how to find out this area of this triangle? So directly we cannot find out the area of this triangle. If we know their sides, you can find out by using some other's formula. So already you learned in this lower classes. But if you know the coordinates, how to find out? But here it is not possible to find out directly. Then how to find out? So first to take this points A, B, Q, P. Okay. So look at this shape. It is looking like a trapezium because it has two parallel sides. Okay, so we call this as trapezium. So first we need to find out the area of this trapezium. Next we need to find out the area of another trapezium, that P, B, C or Q. Then after finding the area of these two trapezium, we need to subtract the trapezium AC or P from the sum of these two trapeziums. So that means easily we can find out this area. Okay, so sum of these two trapezium minus the trapezium APR. So easily we can get the area of this triangle. So area for triangle ABC, we know that the area of trapezium APQP plus area of trapezium just now discussed BQRC minus the area of trapezium APRC. So already we know that what is the formula for area of trapezium? So half into sum of parallel sides into height. So that is distance. So first we need to find out the area of trapezium ABQP. So sum of parallel sides here. Which are the parallel sides here? BQ and AP. And here which is the height? The height is QP. Actually this is the height because this is perpendicular. Okay, this is perpendicular to y-axis. So this is height of this trapezium. So first we need to find out BQ. How to find out BQ? So BQ. So the B, the coordinate is distance from the x-axis. So distance from the x-axis is y coordinate. So the length of B from the x-axis is y2. So BQ is y2. And the next AP. So the AP, the length. So the length of the AP is y1 because the A, that is distance from the x-axis. So the length is y coordinate. So y coordinate is y1. So y2 plus y1 and height QP. So what is the distance QP? Actually the Q is the distance from the y-axis. So the distance from the y-axis is x coordinate. So what is the x coordinate of the Q? Is x2. So the length of Q is x2 and the length of P from the y-axis is x1. So PQ equal to x2 minus x1. So x2 minus x1. Similarly, we can find out the remaining trapeziums. Okay. So trapezium BQRC is half into y2 plus y3 into x3 minus x2 minus the trapezium, area of trapezium APRC is half of y1 plus y3 of x3 minus x1. These two trapezium, the area of these two trapezium, we found that same method by using the same method. Thereafter we multiply y2 into x2 y2 x2, and next multiply y2 and x1. So y2 minus x1, then multiply y1 into x2, y1 x2, then y1 into x1. So y1 x1. Similarly, find out the remaining trapeziums. So and finally, we'll get this answer. So here y3 x2 and which is similar to this one, this y3 x2, y2 x2, that similar one here minus y2 x2. So these two will be cancelled because the signs are different. Next minus y1 x1, and next here minus y1 x1, because minus into minus plus. These two will be cancelled, and remaining y3 x3 plus y3 x3, and if you multiply by minus, here will be get minus y3 x3. So these two will be cancelled. So then remaining you will be get minus y2 x1 plus y1 x2 plus y2 x3 minus y3 x2 minus y1 x3, then plus y3 x1. And then compare these two, minus y2 x1 and y3 x1. Here which is common, x1 is common, so take outside, remaining y3 minus y2. Then y1 x2 and y3 x2. Here which is common, x2 is common, so take outside. So remaining y1 minus y3. And next the remaining terms are y2 x3 and minus y1 x3. Here x3 is common, so take outside, remaining y2 minus y1. Actually, this is the formula for area of triangle. If you know the vertices of triangle, you can find out the area by using this formula. Students, I hope you all understood this concept. Thank you.